So, given quadratic equation, y is equal to negative 2x square plus 6x minus 9. All right. It is in the what form? Standard form or vertex form? You have it in? Very good. That is ax square plus bx plus c form. So let us identify our a, b, and c values. Tell me, a is how much? Very good. A is equal to negative 2. B is equal to 6. C is negative 9. And the formula for axis of symmetry. See, we are going to find this axis of symmetry, vertex, and commenting on the maximum or minimum values. What do you think in this case? Do you get a max value or minimum? To decide on that, you have to make a decision about the graph, right? Is your graph going to be this parabola? Is it upwards or downwards? It is open downwards because of a is equal to negative 2. Very good. Awesome. So now I'll write the formula x is equal to, tell me, formula for axis of symmetry. Over 2a. And also, students, it is a part of your quadratic formula. Did you see the quadratic formula? Negative b plus or minus square root of this one. Negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. From that, if you remove out this discriminant, which will comment on the nature of the roots, real roots, imaginary, and all that. So if you take this off, what is left here? This is nothing but your axis of symmetry, right? X equal to negative b over 2a. That's the big picture. Okay, now let's go. Now x is equal to how much? Opposite of b, so minus, that b was 6, so I'm writing a negative 6. In the denominator, 2 times, what is your a? Negative 2. So that is giving me how much? Negative 6 over negative 4, right? 6. 2 times 2 is 4 with a minus sign. So tell me my x is equal to how much now? What is 6 divided 4? Very good. 6 over 4 is 1.4, 1.5. That is 3 over 2, 1.5. So x is equal to 1.5, which is my axis of symmetry. Awesome. Now this axis of symmetry, substitute in the given quadratic equation to get the value of y, which is max or minimum in this case. Yeah, good. Yes. Hmm? I didn't get what did you? Yeah, this 6 over 4, 2 cancels 3 times and 2 cancels 2 times. 6 divided 4 is 3 over 2. It is same as 3 over 2 is 1 half. Just I simplified like that. Or directly you divide, you get 4 divided. Right? Okay, good question. Now y is equal to negative 2 times this x is replaced with what? 1.5 plus I have a 6 here, 6 times. Again x is how much? 1.5 minus 9. So find its value. Y is equal to how much? Thank you. All right. So negative 2 parenthesis 1.5 close, then square plus 6 times 1.5 minus 9. Did I type everything right? Minus 2, 1.5 square, 6 times 1.5, 9. That gives me negative 4.5, right? So y is equal to negative 4.5. So my x comma y, my vertex is going to be x comma y, which is 1.5 minus 4.5. I have axis of symmetry. Now I have this vertex. Then also you graph, you said it is upside down. It's a maximum value. How much? Negative 4.5. That's all. Find the axis of symmetry by using the formula negative b over 2a. Substitute that x and get the y value. Let us verify by going to this Desmos. Let me type it in. Good. So, any questions?